This mower has 28 hours, and I'm going to be doing a full maintenance. I'm going to change fluids, filters, blades, and I'm going to install a couple of new improvements. So I'm going to be changing the air filters, put fresh oil filter. I'm going to have a new fuel filter with a new shut-off valve, which the mower doesn't have, and I'm going to be installing 3 brand new blades. So I'm going to start draining the oil, for which I'm going to use in a 90 millimeters and a 10 millimeter wrench. It's just 25 hours. It's not that bad. It's 1 year old. And while the oil is draining, I'm going to be removing the oil filter as well. I'm going to go in this area real well. Gonna get some oil, put it here in the seal, the gasket. It's very important that the gasket is moist with oil, so the gasket doesn't crumble up or bunch up when it's being tightened against the metal. Next, the air filter. So I'm going to remove this whole assembly, including this rubber boot. Yeah, so the air intake is pretty clean. That's good. And I'm going to put a glove on over the air intake so there is no debris getting in. Now look at the air filter. It was completely clogged. Look at this. Pretty clean. I have the filter, no filter backing. There we go, tight. Done with the air filter. Next, I'm going to replace the fuel filter, but I'm going to cut the line here and I'm going to install the valve as well. Now, before I cut the line, I'm going to clamp it so I don't have a large fuel leak, like so. There's going to be some fuel coming, but not too bad. And the reason why I want to do this is so in winter I can run the carburetors dry. Or if I have to change the fuel filter, I just can shut the valve off, not having a spill. Like now, I'm just going to close it. So now that the valve is closed, I can just let go and no fuel coming out. Next, I'm going to cut 1 inch of the fuel line, which is going to compensate for the length of the valve. Like this. Not needed. Second clamp over here and into the valve. Just like that. Now I'm gonna do the fuel filter. 1 and 2. And this is a new one with the arrow in the direction of the flow of the filter. Second clamp on the filter. Now I can open the valve. Good. Yeah, the filter wasn't too bad. Actually, it was pretty good. Nothing in here either. Good. We'll check later if it's flowing. Also, make sure that this gas breather is clean. So now let's put some oil. Two liters. So this is easy. And those. And to check the level, the stick says don't turn the cap on threads. So just stick it in and out. Perfect. I really think this system, they should have figured out maybe with a valve or something different, because this is a pain. This little hose with the two bolts, not good. Very uncomfortable. There are many ways to lift the mower. The way I do is just by hand. Like so. Like so. And the blades that my mower uses are the one with the C-shaped connection. 24 millimeters socket. Like so. And here you can see the difference between the new edge and the old one. It's already pretty worn out. I mean, not crazy worn out, but it was calling for replacement. And as per these blades, I'm just gonna resharpen them and use them one more time, but mainly for heavy duty work at the ranch. And next is gonna be moving to the front of the mower. I'm gonna be greasing the front wheel shaft through this greasing point. I'm gonna clean this greasing point because I don't want any dirt to get inside the shaft once I start pushing grease inside. Should be coming through this seal. There we go. Just like that. And I'll do the same with the other wheel. Cleaning. pumping. It was pretty dry. There we go. And the last thing I'm going to be doing in the mower is the following. I'm gonna lubricate this cable right here in both sides, and I'm going to be using, in this case, silicone lubricant. So I'll just add a little bit of lubricant and move it inside the seat, the cable seat. Same here. And that's pretty much it. So before I finish the video, I'm going to show you a little improvement that I did to keep up with the maintenance, which is adding an engine hour counter. It comes with just one cable that wraps around the cable connected to the spark plug right here. Just a few turns, and that's it. I pay $5, I believe, for this counter. I think it would be pretty good if Cub Cadet would use something in this area and just have it installed by default. As a matter of fact, instead of having these front wheel suspensions, like this one, which is a complete gimmick, they don't work, they could add some other accessories to the mower. Check this out. The springs, they're not even moving.